everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. So I am doing a layout about a scrapbook weekend that I was on last year. And not just the scrapping piece of it, but a couple of other things that happened, like a book sale on my way up, and forgetting all of my green faux solid paper and having my boyfriend bring it up for me because he was really, really sweet. So we had a great breakfast at a restaurant. So I'm starting out with that just a blue cardstock, and I think it might have been from like a project pad from Joann's, but I don't know that for sure. I'm just using it as a background because I don't have enough of either of the two papers I'm going to use, so I'm just gluing a background down. So the stripe paper that I just glued down is Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0, my number 1 paper, and then I'm adding this blue star paper, so a faux solid here, of Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0 Watch Out paper. So I'm using a kids collection for something that's not about kids, which is kind of fun. I just, scrapbook weekends are happy. Scrapbook retreat weekends are happy for me. And that was the kind of vibe that I was going for with this layout. I'm also trying to work my way through some of this collection, working through supplies, making room for more, although I haven't bought new supplies in quite a while. I have enough. I do have a little bit of Chamel's newest collection. As I do this voiceover, its newest collection coming. It's finally shipped because it took forever. But anyway, by the time you see this, I will have had it for a while. So I have the 6 photos down and 6 photos across the whole layout. So I showed a picture of the library I went to, my bag of books. It was an awesome book sale. My glass of wine as I'm scrapbooking at the retreat, and then the next day when my dear sweetheart brought me my paper and actually a pair of slippers that I forgot, and then I treated him to breakfast. So that 3x4 cut apart there that I have just placed down is from the Doodlebug Cute and Cozy Happy Thoughts line, and that is a scrapbooking line if I remember correctly. And then I'm kind of just working through using some other pieces. I want to get scrapbooky products in here, but I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that. I do love that these stickers here. So the that Eat, Sleep, Craft, Repeat circle and that photo envelope, use both of those when I scrapbook for scrapbook weekends. Those are both from the Doodlebug Cute and Cozy icons. So I like, getting those on there and using those for, a scrappy layout, but I'm not using papers from that collection here in this particular case. So there's the icons sticker sheet. I'm thinking I need some horizontal lines in that collection there, or that and I forgot about the cup with the pencil and ruler and scissors too. That's from that same sticker sheet. So I'm thinking I need something to go horizontally across here. I just haven't quite figured out yet, and I'm playing around with other things from that collection, as I am wont to do. Obviously, I'm not going to just do that embellishment right there. I'll want to also do some embellishment in that top left corner, which is what I'm doing now. So I have a tab there that says Friends from the Doodlebug Cute and Crafty This and That sticker sheet. And then adding in that little tape runner from the icon. So between the This and That, which is what that big 12x12 sticker sheet is the This and That. So between the two, I'm going to get everything I need. And that handmade sticker that I'm putting down right now is also from that This and That sheet. Just getting these pieces down. So definitely, there's not as many like scrappy pieces left here, but I'm adding them in. There's that, I like that pencil to get the idea of the horizontal into that cluster that I was telling you about. So all the other stickers that you're going to see, just regular stickers, are coming now from the icon stickers. And then I've got these enamel pieces right here. And I'm going to add in some enamel hearts. And then I'm thinking about this washi tape sticker. I love that. You know, it looks like the Doodlebug washi tape. So that is the Doodlebug Cute and Crafty Shape Sprinkles that I'm kind of playing around with here. So just kind of added in, instead of that washi tape there, I added in a X-Acto knife. Almost couldn't think of what that was. And then up here I've got a pliers. I do use that when I'm taking backs off buttons. So that to me is scrappy. And then kind of playing around here, trying to figure out what else I'm going to do. And then I take it off. I've got that tape again, that washi tape, and that time this is going to stick here. Just like how that's expanding that cluster a little bit. I'm still not quite happy though with the horizontal line of the that bottom. So what I'm going to do is eventually, and you won't see this, I'm going to use an aqua sticker from the Doodle Pops, and it's the cardstock stickers from that. It's really the Cute and Crafty line. I'm just adding some hearts to the clusters. I figured it out later on. I couldn't find anything. I thought I'd be happy, and then I wasn't. So I happened to see that as I'm working through this when I finished the layout. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with the layout soon. Bye, everybody.